In this video, we discuss the radiographic findings of a fracture. A fracture is a discontinuity in a bone or cartilage resulting from mechanical forces which exceed the bone's ability to withstand them. Radiographic findings of a fracture are: discontinuity of the cortical and trabecular bone, a radiolucent, dark line running through the bone, a change in the normal alignment at the fracture site, step-off in cortical and trabecular bone, displacement of osseous fragments, impaction lines or sclerotic bands due to impaction or overlapping, presence of abnormal fat pad or elevation of a fat pad, localized swelling of the soft tissues, skin contour over the fracture site is displaced by the swelling.
If you like the video, you can like it, comment it, and share it with your friends. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell button.